Welcome to speedearning.in. So we are discussing about the option trading, and we suggest you to go with different strategies which we discussed earlier. So for every moment, for every phase of market, there is one suitable strategy. But to be familiar with that particular strategy, you need to practice on all. In the beginning, there might be a lot of confusion, but you will have to pass through it. Because if you're not practicing, you don't know how to handle the things. So we told you to follow a strategy by seeing the daily gainer. So on one day last month in January, there was a jump in telecom sector and Idea was the top gainer. Now anyone can tell that how do we know that Idea will perform so great, but we don't tell you to guess anything. Idea was showing the gain there as a top gainer. It was 3-4% plus, and there was a news of some merger. So you can choose the idea from there, and you are going with hedging, so there was no problem. You can go with weighted hedging. So what could we do? Suppose it was running 77 rupees, so we could have chosen 80 rupees, 80 strike price call and 65 put. Suppose 80 strike price call is running 4 rupees and 65 put is running 1.5 rupees, so it was 5.5 total. So what was the total money included? You just multiply to the lot size. Suppose it is 7,000. So 5 sevens are 35,000. So it is around 38,000 because it is 5.5. So you involved 38,000 there in that strategy. And what happened on that day? The movement was unexpected, unbelievable, but it was meant to happen there because past 3 months there was a big fall in the price of Idea. So in the charts you can see if it is there is a big fall in the past, so a chart will try to fill the gap in the future. So it was decided to happen, but when we don't know. So you should be with your position for next 2-3 months, and if you are there with preparation all the time, you won't miss the opportunity. So on that day the opportunity came and Idea moved up by 25%. So that 4 rupees call went to 30-35 rupees price, and that was the greatest opportunity which can be taken by any of the trader who is following our regular disciplines and regular strategies. So when you are following someone's instructions, when you are learning from someone, so you are not getting the huge profits on every day. You will get a little profit that won't please you, but if you are following the right reasons, you will have a great profit on a single day, and from the next day it will be very clear to you what is the value of that knowledge. So on that day you were continuing with the Idea opportunity and you got a huge benefit there. Now near expiry, what could have been done? Suppose Idea jumped already, so now you bought a put. It was running 115, so you can bought a put of 110 and you can short the put of 105 or 100 in calendar spread. And what happened there? Suppose Idea didn't show the movement either side. It was not going upside, it was not going downside, it was rainbow, and there was a lot of confusion. But you bought one position and sold another position, so due to that rainbow movement you will get some profit there, or a equal profit loss may be there. So that's why by the end of the expiry, at the expiry, you were in equal position or you were slightly positive. Now on the next month you can have the opposite position for next month. Suppose you got a put for the suppose February month and sold the put for January month. On expiry, the January put position has ended. So now in February you will have to buy a call for idea to hedge. So that gives you the money. And in February that showed you the further movement. The very big movement was not possible because already there was a movement in a single day. So you got a okay profit in the next month without any confusion. There was the hedging. So that is the method to take the opportunity all the time. I give you the example to assure you that if you are practicing about something, if you are knowing about some scripts, and if you are knowing the script behavior of one script, then it will help you in another scripts as well. So that is the method to learn anything, and keep faith in yourself and a little faith in us. That will give you the success. Thank you very much.